Hello, and welcome to the packed publishing video course, R Troubleshooting Solutions. My name is David Wilkins, and I'll be guiding you through this course. I'm a biologist with over a decade of experience using R in research, especially for analysing large genetic datasets. I also have an interest in data visualization, and I'm the author of several open source R packages, many of which are concerned with drawing statistical graphics. This course is focused on providing practical solutions to common R problems. Even an experienced R programmer can find their work halted for hours while they struggle against a roadblock thrown up by the R language or by an R package. This course is designed to identify and solve many of these common problems. The problems were identified based on some of the most commonly searched and posted R questions online, and have been grouped into broad categories that cover many aspects of R programming. Let's have a look at what you'll learn in this video course. We'll start by looking at the R language itself, and common questions that arise from some of the tricky aspects of the language. Then, we'll move on to R packages, and learn how to make use of the objects and functions provided by packages, even in ways the package was not designed to support. Next will come data frames, one of the most important and most used data structures in R. This section will answer common questions of data frame manipulations. After that, we'll learn a variety of methods for getting different types of data into and out of R, including downloading and scraping data from the internet. Finally, we'll take a deep dive into ggplot2 and learn the solutions to common questions about customizing your ggplot2 plots. Taking this video course does not require much from you. First, you should have a computer running a recent version of macOS, Linux, or Windows. You should have RStudio or other software for writing and running R code. And finally, you should have a basic familiarity with R programming. Once you've completed this course, you'll be armed with an arsenal of solutions for common R problems. And along the way, you'll gain a deeper understanding of the R language and of common tasks in R.